Subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
The question is f of x is equal to root 3 minus tan x whole thing divided by pi minus 3x comma x not equal to pi by 3 is equal to k comma x equal to pi by 3 and at x equal to pi by 3. It means the given function is continuous at x equal to pi by 3 and we have to find the unknown value k. Now let's see the solution. We start from given function f of x is continuous at x equal to pi by 3. Therefore, limit x tends to pi by 3, f of x is equal to f of pi by 3. Therefore, now x tends to pi by 3 means x not equal to pi by 3 and at that time f of x is equal to root 3 minus tan x upon pi minus 3x. F of pi by 3 means x equal to pi by 3 gives f of x is equal to k and therefore f of pi by 3 we have to replace by k. Now here we have to solve this limit. Since here the question is totally based on the function tan x and the limit rule connected with tan function is limit x tends to 0 tan of x upon x is equal to 1. So it means for tan function the limit compulsory tend to 0 and in present case the limit is x tends to pi by 3 and therefore here we go for the substitution that put x is equal to pi by 3 plus h as x tends to pi by 3 and h tend to 0. Therefore the next step will be limit h tends to 0 root 3 minus tan. Whenever x we have to substitute pi by 3 plus h upon pi minus 3 in bracket pi by 3 plus h and that equal to k. Therefore limit x tends to 0. So here we write root 3 as a root 3 upon 1. Then minus. Now for tan pi by 3 plus h we apply trigonometric formula that tan in bracket a plus b that is equal to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. So in present case, A represent pi by 3 and B represent h. So we have tan pi by 3 plus tan of h upon 1 minus tan pi by 3 into tan h. Whole thing divided by, we write pi as it is, then minus 3 into pi by 3 gives minus pi, minus 3 into plus h gives minus 3h, and that equal to k. Now here we cancel plus pi and minus pi from the denominator. The next step will be limit h tends to 0. We write root 3 upon 1 as it is, minus, now tan of pi by 3 means tan of 60, and that gives value root 3, plus we write tan h as it is upon 1 minus tan of pi by 3, again we write a root 3 into tan h, and whole thing divided by minus 3h is equal to k. Therefore the next step will be limit h tends to 0. Now in the numerator we have to go for cross multiply. So root 3 in bracket 1 minus root 3 into tan h minus 1 into root 3 plus tan h, whole thing divided by 1 minus root 3 tan h into minus 3h is equal to k. Therefore, the limit h tends to 0, root 3 into 1 gives root 3 minus root 3 into root 3 tan h gives 3 tan h, minus 1 into root 3 gives minus root 3, and minus 1 into tan h gives minus tan h. Whole thing divided by first bracket 1 minus root 3 into tan h into minus 3h is equal to k. Now if we observe in a numerator, we cancel plus root 3 and minus root 3. Therefore limit h tends to 0, minus 3 tan h and minus tan h, so that gives minus 4 times tan h upon 1 minus root 3 into tan h, bracket complete, into minus 3h, we write as it is, and is equal to k. Now here we cancel the minus sign from numerator and denominator, and the term that 4 by 3 which represent constant term, so we take outside the limit. So therefore 4 upon 3 into limit h tends to 0 tan h upon h, this part we write in the numerator, upon limit h tends to 0 1 minus root 3 into tan h in the denominator, and that equal to k. So on simplifying further, we have 4 upon 3 into limit h tends to 0 tan h upon h, that gives 1, upon 1 minus root 3 into tan of 0, and that equal to k. So therefore 4 by 3 into 1 upon 1 minus root 3 into, now tan 0 0, that we get from trigonometric table, and that equal to k. So finally k is equal to 4 upon 3. Since 1 upon 1 minus root 3 into 0, so that gives us answer 1, and 1 into 4 upon 3, we get 4 upon 3. So in this way we get k is equal to 4 upon 3. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.